So students, now let us see the nutshell of this chapter, as we are on the concluding part of this chapter, the chapter fraction. So let us see what are the points to be remembered in the chapter. If you have gone through this chapter properly, definitely these points you must be remembering it. Now in the proper fraction, the numerator is always smaller than the denominator. This point you should always remember, that in the proper fraction, the numerator is always smaller. Whereas in the improper fraction, the numerator is either equal or greater than the denominator. The word equal is here again a very important point here, that either if it comes out to be equals to, that is 5 upon 5, again it is a improper fraction. To add or subtract, first we convert the given fraction into the like fraction. As we have discussed earlier also, the like fractions are those fractions which are having the same denominator. So if they are not having the same denominator, we have to make their denominator same. Now to multiply the whole number with a fraction, proper or improper, we multiply the whole number with the numerator of the fraction, keeping the denominator same. In the multiplication process, no need of LCM is there. So we simply multiply the numerator by numerator and the denominator by denominator. To multiply two or more fractions, we have this formula, that is product of numerator upon product of denominator. But in the case of a whole number, when we are simply supposed to multiply with the numerator, nothing to do with the denominator. Now when the two proper fractions are multiplied, the product is always less than or less than each of the given fractions. Again, it's a very important point. Whereas the product of two improper fractions is always greater than of the given fraction. That's a very important concept here. You should always remember. Now we come to the next point, that is when the product of the fraction with its reciprocal is always equals to what? 1. That means 3 by 4 multiplied by 4 by 3. 3 by 4 is a fraction and 4 by 3 is its reciprocal, or we used to say multiplicative inverse. Whenever you multiply, the result is always coming out to be equals to 1. Dividing a whole number or a fraction by another fraction, multiply the dividend by the reciprocal of the divisor. As I said to you, after the division sign, whatever the number comes, you have to take the reciprocal of that particular fraction. Before dividing the fraction or a whole number by a mixed fraction, converting the mixed fraction into the improper fraction, and then taking the reciprocal of the fraction which is coming after the division sign. Which from this example, it's very much clear. After the division sign, I'm getting this number 4 3 by 8. So first of all, you have to convert into the improper fraction. Then we have to take the reciprocal of the fraction and convert the division sign to multiplication sign, which you can see here. And on the diagonal, if you can cancel it, and then bring your result in the lowest form or in the standard form, we used to say.